A come-from-behind win mula sa Cool Smashers sa set number 2. They were down 24-22 bago nagpakawala ng 4 na sunod na puntos ang Cool Smashers after an inspiring timeout led by Coach Ty Bundit and Coach Oliver Almatro.
And the rest of the Cool Smashers responded with that 4-point flurry. Nakatulong si Miss Ivy Remulla. Nakatulong ang depensa nitong si Gemma Galanza, yung playmaking nitong si Alex Cabanos. But in the end, it was once again the big hitters. Dow and Alyssa delivered in the clutch. Not only did they erase a 2-point or 2-set point deficit, but the last 4 points enabled them to overtake itong team ng Lady Jet Spikers na siyang nagsaing hanggang kumulo ang sinaing pero ang nagain sila Baldo at ang Cool Smashers. Slight advantage sa attack points. Unforced errors, they had more, but they had better net defense. And yung service reception ng Jet Spikers, sasabi natin, siyang lakas nila. Naging Achilles heel nila doon sa duluhan ng ating pangalawang set. 2-set advantage. Hawak nila Baldo, nila Dow, nila Laura Shout, and the rest of the Cool Smashers.
Ang napanood ko sa dulo ng set number 2, parang yung 5th set ng laban ng Cool Smashers kontra sa Perlas, kung saan bumida ang 3BB connection na si Dow at si Alyssa.
Ganda lang memory mo, Anton. Sa dami ng 5-setters na nakita ko. Napaghalo-halo ko na eh.
As of late, Coach Ronnie, nakakarami tayo sa mga 5-setters na yan.
Diba? Diba? Parang yun talaga ang laban eh, no? Parang bihirang matapos. Walang natatapos. Lower than 5 sets. But right now, Jet Spikers have to win 3 in a row. O 2 in a row para may tulak itong huling laban nila sa quarterfinals sa pang-5 set. Sa Cool Smashers naman, a win here today will improve their chances of making it to the semifinals kung matatlong sunod nila dito sa kanilang laban itong Jet Spikers.
Ang gustong makuha ng Cool Smashers dito ay yung 3 points, Coach Ronnie.
Yes, full 3 points.
Full 3 points kung masisweep nila.
Woo!
Itong Lady Jet Spikers.
Grabe yung palot preno ni Gemma Galanza. No?
Galanza changing it up. Balmaceda was there. Semana binigay dito kay Sam Wang. And Rakrakin and Valdez falling down. Cabanos getting it back to the Lady Jet Spikers side. Dow!
Inspirado ng Cool Smashers eh. Kasi they took care of the first 2 sets. Kumbaga, umakyat na sila sa baitang. They are in the mountain but not yet at the mountain top, so to speak. Laban dito sa hamon ng Jet Spikers. And Jet Spikers, kailangan lang tumikit. Kanina nakadikit at nakalamang sa second set. 27 points for the 3BB connection. 11 points naman para kay Yari at kay Nene ng Jet Spikers.
Ang taas agad ng point total ni Alyssa at ni Dow. At si Alex Cabanos contributing as well with that service ace.
And Rakrakin has embraced her role as a defensive specialist, the floor manager, ika nga, for the Cool Smashers. Miscommunication on that service reception. They continues to struggle with their first ball and now they're down by a 3-goal disadvantage dito sa ating pangatlong set.
Floor manager, akala ko si Ricky Marcos na ng MU yun.
Pinahiram. They disperse eh. Diba? Matagal pa yung ating 80th season. Oo. Ganong kabait si Ricky. Pantino has also entered the contest. Wendy and Simana, mula nung kino-cover natin siya many years ago hanggang ngayon, hindi nagbabago ang facial expression. Umulan, umaraw, bumagyo, tumigil ang bagyo, mawalan ng kuryente sa loob ng Giloil Frankie Arena. Pareho ang expressions.
Sana hindi na mangyari ulit yun. 4-2 ang ating... Oo, kasi...
Na-traffic kayo pagkatapos?
Lakas ng ulan, Coach. Nakakatakot, lalo na sa parking.
Dito naman, nawalan ng kuryente paulit-ulit. Nako. Hanggang Bangkok yung palong yun.
Okay, balikan muna natin ang ating kasamang si Pawi Versosa.
Anton and Coach Ronnie, kanina nga nakausap ko ang team captain ng Lady Jet Spikers na si Joy Cases at nakwento niya sa akin that since communication is the root of all their problems, yung defensive patterns naman daw nila yung pinaka nagsasuffer dahil dito. At ayon nga kay Joy, it's not about fatigue nor frustration, but rather it's about just giving that little push to her teammates inside the court. Sabi nga ni Joy na wala naman daw silang problema kung fighting spirit ang pag-uusapan dahil sanay naman daw silang lumaban. But rather, it all boils down on how they're able to stay on the same page and play as a team. At bilang team captain, sinabi nga ni Joy that she takes her time to talk to her teammates in order to motivate them, especially during this time na sunod-sunod na yung talo nila. Anton and Coach Ronnie?
It's been a tough season, a tough conference para dito sa Lady Jet Spikers. At si Joy, syempre, siya tumatayo bilang leader, bilang kapitana. It's tough on her part to be the one to face all of the questions as to why nahirapan ang kanyang koponan dito sa Reinforced Conference.
1 win, 4 losses first round, 1 win, 4 losses in the second round, 0-2. Rather, tama, 0-2 in the quarterfinals. Hindi lang yung facing all the questions but having the answers to the questions. That is the hardest part. Lalong-lalo na hindi ka na makakapag-isip dahil pagtulog mo, laro ka na ulit Diba? Quick turnaround Kung baga po sa flight ng aeroplano, refuel ka lang, lipad ka na. Hindi ka na pwedeng malungkot, hindi ka pwedeng magsimangon, sumama lang loob dahil may laro ka na.
Nagsimula na pala, Coach Ronnie, ang second half ng taong 2017.
Bilis ng panahon.
June 1 na po. Galanza. Valdez. Sangmuang. Back set para dito kay Yonko. Cabanos. To Dao. Back row attack. And Dao will get the point.
Check ball.
8-4 ang ating talaan. Patuloy ang pamamayagpag ng Cool Smashers dito sa third set ng kanilang laban kontra sa Lady Jet Spikers.
Hello! Hi, Joy! I'm Marina Garcia from Montalban, Rizal. May favor lang ako. May tatanong ako sa'yo. Marunong ka ba magluto? Anong favorite mong potahe? Salamat!
Hi! Sagot dun sa tanong, hindi kasi ako marunong magluto, pero mahilig ako kumain. Ang favorite kong potahe is sinigang and hipon sa ginataan. Yun.
Hi, sinigang. Sakto sa rainy season. Nagsimula na, Coach Ronnie.
Oo. Nice shirt.
Yep, I agree. DJ Tronics.
Sinigang sa kahipon sa gata. Parehong malakas sa kanin yun.
Joy Cases right now looking on as her teammates continue to fight kontra dito sa Cool Smashers. Pantino.
Itong inaasahan nilang maging spark Pantino has not really sparkled in this conference. Pero walang dahilan kung bakit hindi. Dahil meron siyang kakayahan. And being the freshest dahil konti lang ang kanyang playing time, probably malaki ang may tutulong niya dito sa kanilang kampanya naman. Tinig mo ay sa ating pang-2 set. 2 straight points. Nice services coming from Yari Yonko.
Tsaka si Mean Pantino ang isa sa mga primary scorers sa conference na binanggit mo last year, Coach Ronnie.
Na kung saan pumasok sila sa finals. Key player talaga siya ron. Pero katuwang niya kasi si Judy Ann Caballero. What a play by Cabanos. What a play. Something out of nothing. Broken play. Yan yung malaking improvement sa antas ng laro ni Alex. Yung bilis. Look at the way she streamed from the UAP up to the PVL. At makikita mo, nakinabang ng gusto sa training program ni Coach Ty Butit.
And she just graduated recently, Coach Ronnie.
Totoo yan.
From her from UST with a degree in speech pathology.
Totoo. Kasi alam ko yung kapatid niya is a special child. So gusto rin niyang tulungan yung kapatid niya. Goes without saying, Kat Persola, Pia Geiser, among others. Gia Morado. Diba? Yung ating mga sinaksiyan sa nakalipas na 79th year ng UAP. May summa cum laude tayo, Kat Persola. May cum laude tayo, Pia Geiser. Mariosep, pinangarap ko yan Pero ni sa pangarap, hindi ko narating Pantino again helps out the offense ng Jet Spikers.
10-7 ang ating talaan dito. Pabor sa Cool Smashers. Regalo para kay Tapik.
Maganda-gandang run ito. From 8-4, it's now 10-8. Just 2 points in the last 6 rallies para sa Cool Smashers. 4 of the last 6 naman napunta sa Jet Spikers. Marami dyan galing kay Mean Pantino.
Quick attack para kay Soriano. That's 2 touches.
Interesting, Anton. No? Ano kaya ang kailangan na weighted average mo para mag-summa cum laude ka at mag-cum laude ka? Kasi hindi pwedeng sa unang mga taon mo may mababa kang grade ng this eh. Alam ko, kailangan ma-maintain mo yun all throughout eh.
Whatever it is, Coach Ronnie, nakakabilib kasi
Seryoso.
hindi madali maging student athlete.
Yung mag-dean's list ka lang, mahirap na eh.
Cross-court attack para dito kay Gutica.
Utica, Baldo. That's a double-edged sword. Nakita mo eh, nandun naman yung blockers. Balmaceda beaten. Cross-court coverage was there, but the length of the hit over the head itong si Balmaceda.
Semana, back set. And a topic too strong on that spike.
Kadalasan ay ng specialty of the house para kay Nene Topic, but this time hindi kumonekta, 5 kalamangan na full smasher.
Kaya sa receive. Kaya naman natin eh. Hindi lang nagiging consistent yun. Ha? Kaya naman natin kapitan eh. So yun ang kailangan natin, kapitan natin. Layo pa niyan ha. So, okay, bawi tayo ha. Tignan natin ha. Energy to sa loob. Energy.
Enjoy! Airborne!
Malinaw yung pagkukulang nitong Lady Jet Spikers, yung energy, yung sigla, yung gana.
Sinisimplehan na nga lang ni Coach Jasper, di ba? Yung basic na lang. Basta mag-respond lang. Although, yung team niya show na every time tatawag siya ng timeout, bumubuti yung antas ng laro. Right now, they're down by the biggest deficit in the set, a 5-point hole at 13-8. Ayan na naman, pagka-timeout. Sa isang miyembro ng staff ni Coach Jasper Jimenez, naniniwala ko dating manlalaro yan ng Letran, si Coach Tunichi Pujante. May kapatid yan, si Leo Pujante. Kanina kausap ko siya kanina. Tawanan lang kami.
Si Coach Leo na assistant coach sa
Right.
sa NU Bullpups.
Parehong maghusay mag-basketball yan. Mga tubong Lasal, tumawid ng Letran. Isang point guard, si Leo, at isang shooting guard, si Coach Tunichi Pujante. Husay ang mga yan. Down to 3 from a high of 5. 2 straight points after the timeout. Itong Jet Spikers.
Gutica. Semana getting it across. Some old school
Right.
moves mula dito kay
Ayun,
Wendy Ann
umiti
Semana.
na si Wendy Semana. Ano ba nakakapuwing? Hindi naman yung matatangkad. Laging yung maliliit. Wendy Ann Semana, napuwing yung depensa ng Cool Smashers. 3 straight points for the Blue Shirts.
Laura Shout. Could not put it away. Sangwang. At ayun na, kill block mula kay Laura Shout.
Tama si Coach Jasper. Kaya ng floor defense eh. Problema, may 6'5 dun sa kalaban.
At natuwa si Coach Tai, nararamdaman na niya na unti-unti na silang lumalapit sa pagkakataong makapasok sa semifinals dahil nga if they sweep itong Lady Jet Spikers, makukuha nila ang 3 puntos. Parang UAP football yung naging competitions natin ngayon, Coach Ronnie.
Ito yan. Kasi walang playoff eh.
Yes.
This is a good rebound counter para dito sa Cool Smashers. Lead was down to 2 points at 13-11. Ngayon sumampa muli sa 4 at 15-11.
At binanggit nga namin ni Coach Ronnie Magsano kanina na kasama rin natin sa ating live stream team for today, Miss Cassie Gormley and 4-time UAP best setter Ish Polvorosa. Cassie and Ish, kamusta kayo dyan?
Hello po, Anton. Hi, Coach Ronnie.
Hi guys. Kamusta?
Okay
Saya.
lang kami dito. First time namin mag-partner dito sa live stream and it's super fun. Very insightful to have Ish here as the sports analyst.
Okay, since you said very insightful na makasama si Ish Polvorosa, may tanong ako para kay Ish. Kasi Ish, marami nagsasabi na sobrang laki ng in-improve nitong si Alex Cabanos as one of the best setters right now in the country. Ano masasabi mo? Ano ang komento mo sa laro ni Alex Cabanos ngayon?
Well, Anton, I have to agree with them, no, as a setter. Napapanood ko ito si Alex nung UAAP years niya. As we know, kasi graduate na siya sa UST. Pero ngayon sa PVL, nakita ko yung improvement niya under Coach Tai. And hindi lang kasi siya puro ano na ngayon eh, yung mga alam niyang plays nung nasa UST siya. Meron na rin siyang ibang plays and she knows how to play the percentage game. Lalo na she has Eliza Valdez and Kutika sa lineup nila. And maganda yon for the Cool Smashers.
Ish, we've watched you, we've covered you the last few years. Pag ganito katatangkad yung mga wing spikers mo, mga middle hitters mo ng mga reinforcements, di ka ba nanggigigil na maglaro ulit para mapasahan yung mga ganyang kagagaling at katatangkad ng mga attackers?
Nakakagigil, no? Pero Coach Ronnie, I've experienced setting players from different countries, and then I also have a teammate from America, as you guys know,
yes.
si Tony Koifman. And siguro ang importante lang doon, no, pag nanggigigil ka na mag-set sa mga foreign teammates mo, kailangan yung gelling and communication talaga.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Alam mo, kasi tama ka. Very insightful
Diba? Ang dami
na
nasasabi.
mapakinggan itong si Ish
Iba talaga
Polvorosa.
pag Moreno.
Thank you very much and great job to you guys, Cassie, Gormley, and Ish Polvorosa, ang
Thank you,
ating
Anton.
live stream team for today.
Thank you.
Alright, so ayan po, ating bagong setup dito sa Premier Volleyball League. You can watch the games, the matches anytime, anywhere sa ating live stream. Just go to premiervolleyballleague.com. Meron tayong tatlong camera views dyan. We have the end zone view, we have the net view, and then of course we have the wide view as well, Coach Ron. Ibang klaseng experience para sa
Ako
ating mga
nanonood ako
manonood.
dyan.
Yes.
Tutuwa nga ako dahil pwede mong i-click kung anong gusto mong view talaga. Pero ito ang run kanina, 2 sa Air Force, 3 sa Cool Smashers. Pero ngayon, 4 na yung scoring run for the Cool Smashers. Pinakamalaking kalamangan, 6 na puntos na abante laban sa Jet Spikers.
Alright, let's listen in on this timeout.
Pagka masaya sa loob, mabalik yung kumpiyansa. Nagiging maganda yung, yung flow ng defense, ng spike natin, tsaka receive. Okay, enjoy nyo lang. Laro. Walang bibigay. Malaya pa. Okay.
This match is brought to you by Ribisco, making delightful moments possible anytime, anywhere. Ayan po, all out ang ating mga manonood sa front row dito sa Phil Line V Center sa lungsod ng San Juan. Balikan muna natin ang ating sitwasyon. Ito na nga, Coach Ronnie, yung ina-explain mo kanina.
Maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw ang prerequisite para makapasok ang Cool Smashers. Kailangan manalo at kailangan manalo sa loob ng 3 o 4 na sets para sigurado nakuha nila yung isa sa 2 upuan na manggagaling sa quarterfinals patungo sa semis dahil meron na pong 2 nauna ron ng pahinga ng isang linggo. Mapaalad ng mga bata. Naipahinga, masasakit ng mga paa.
That is the most precious thing that you can get dito sa ating Premier Volleyball League dahil nga very masyadong brutal yung ating schedule.
Yan.
Kaya nakakabilib ang ating mga manlalaro who continue to gut it out and fight it out despite the schedule. And here they are, Cool Smashers going all out. Pati na rin ang Lady Jet Spikers. Sinabi ni Coach Jasper, gusto niya na lumaban ang kanyang kupunan hanggang sa dulo.
Pero ito, yung hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan ay umiikli ng umiikli. Dahil yung paglaban, may hangganan din yan. Pag hindi ka nakasabay, 9 na puntos, pinakamalaking abante ng Cool Smashers in the last 3 sets. 4 points away para makapahinga ng isang araw at paglaro sa
Isang
Sabado.
araw lang?
Pero at least hindi ka magpapahinga ng tuluyan. Mamili ka, walang gising o walang tulog. Hindi ko pala sa walang gising, konting tulog, gising na, laro agad.
Gemma Galanza. Alam mo, Coach Ronnie, napakalaking bagay na dinagdag ng Cool Smashers itong si Gemma Galanza.
Yes, totoo yan. At katulad ni Alex Cabanos, 2 players playing better in the Premier Volleyball League compared to their performance dun sa nakalipas na UAAP season.
And that's the type of effect that you have, that a player gets when the pressure is off the shoulders. Dahil nga,
yan.
for Galanza, meron na siyang Eliza, meron na siyang Dow. So, hindi na iniisip na makascore ng at least 10 points per match.
Yun. At alalayan yung mga kasama. Dito siya ang baby, di ba? Sila ni Alex Cabanos. Dahil meron silang giant.
Yes.
Si Nora, batang-bata, pero ang taas.
6'5".
Triple jumper and a volleyball player in college.
Galanza, Pantino, and Antipuesto were there. Valdez. Semana was there. Abanto. Binigay dito kay Pantino. Overshout and Galanza and over the end line.
Si Laura Shout, hindi pumupuntos ng marami. Siya na yung sumasakripisyo. But the way she has defended the middle, matutuwa ka rin dahil sumakripisyo Okay sa kanya. Yakap niya yung role na binigay sa kanya. And they're winning. And just as I say it again, minsan i-delay ko. Oo. Talaga naman, no?
Napakamot rin itong si Coach Typhoon.
Hindi pa nagsunod-sunod na
Wala pa yung kombinasyon. Wala pa yung kombinasyon.
Mga Melindo plays ni Coach. First round, Melindo plays si Coach Typhoon din. 10 set points equivalent to 10 match points equivalent to 10 semi-final seat. Ayan na, merong isa si Coach Ty.
Semana, tapik. Kutika, binigay kay Valdez. Not yet.
Alam mo kanina, ang score 13-11 lang, Anton That was the last close tally that we had. And since that time, only 4 points nakuha ng Jet Spikers, samantalang 13 sa huling 17 na palitan. Binulsak ng Cool Smashers.
Cabanos, binigay dito kay Soriano. And sometimes when you have this big a lead,
yes.
nagre-relax ka na dahil 1 puntos na lang ang kailangan mo
Human nature yan. And minsan when players start to tune out, ika nga, yung umaaliwalas yung mukha, bumababa minsan yung laro-dala nila. Malapit na sila. Hindi lang sa panalo, kundi sa panibagong laro pagdating sa Sabado kung sakasakali.
Semana, tapik. This time, binigay ni Semana dito kay Pantino. 3 magkasunod na puntos mula sa Lady Jet Spikers.
And there's no white flag in the DNA of Pantino. Nakikita mo naman laban na laban, kunutan na sa lubungang kilay. They were down earlier by 10. They had 10 set points to overcome. Naibaba nila sa 7. 24-17 talaan sa ating pangatlong set.
Cabanos, Soriano at tinapos na ni Pao Soriano ang laban. Cool Smashers getting 3 points dahil sa panalong ito in straight sets, Coach Ronnie.
Very impressive para sa Cool Smashers. Season on the line. A lot of pressure was on their head. But somehow they found ways to win the first set. The second set was tight, but the third set, they were on a roll, they were in cruise control, and right now they are in the Final Four.
And now, that puts pressure on Perlas.
Of course.
Because they have to win now, Coach Ronnie, kontra sa Lady Warriors.
Totoo yan. That's the only way. Tapos, kumbaga, titignan na naman yung bilangan if they end up in a tie with the Lady Warriors. But right now, one thing is settled. 3 teams are in the semis and the third team, itong Cool Smashers.
Okay, magbabalik po tayo para kilalanin ang ating player of the match. Huwag po kayong alis. Ito po ang Premier Volleyball League Reinforced Conference dito lang sa SNA. Sa Philoil Flying V Center kung saan nakamit ng Cool Smashers ang panalo in straight sets kontra sa Lady Jet Spikers 25-16, 26-24, and 25-17 at ang ating 2 best players of the match kasama ngayon ni Pawi Versosa.
That's right, Anton and Coach Ronnie. Here with me now are the players of the game, Alex Cabanos and Eliza Valdez. So congratulations, girls, on finally making it to the semifinals. So Alex, can you tell us anong ba nga yung naging key factor para sa inyo in those 3 sets kaya na-sweep nyo agad yung game?
Yung nagtulong-tulong talaga kami and we played really happy nung mga games namin. Tsaka hindi talaga kami bumitaw. After all those 5 sets namin na paghihirap, talaga natuto kaming na kumapit this time.
Alright, Ali, so now that you've made it to the semifinals, how are you going to prepare for this next leg of the competition?
Well, definitely it's going to be harder, it's going to be tougher, but we're going to always listen to our coaches, we're going to always play happy, and we're going to always be inspired by each other. And yung game pala namin also, para kay Alex talaga, kasi graduation niya yesterday. So, congratulations. And Anton, di ba? Anton. So, thank you, thank you.
May gusto ka bang batiin, Ali?
Thank you kay Coach Mark. Hello, Coach Mark. At to my family sa Batangas, hello po. And to all the supporters, hello po sa inyo lahat.
Alex, do you want to greet anyone?
Hello po sa family ko, at sa mga friends ko, sa mga nag-graduate na kasabay ko kahapon, and to all the Creamline supporters.
Great, thank you so much, Alex, and congrats on graduating, and congrats on making it to the semifinals. Back to you, Anton and Coach Ronnie.
Well, Liza Valdez was joking with me before this match na baka malas daw ako kasi ako yung nag-cover ng huling match na natalo sila in 5 sets.
Walang sisihan. No excuses.
Ayan po.
Pasok na sila, Baldo. Masaya na yan.
Best player of the match brought to you by Ribisco, making delightful moments possible anytime, anywhere. Alright, so ito po ang magiging susunod nating mga laban sa semifinals. Semifinals na, Coach Ronnie.
So Power Smashers ang magiging draw ng Cool Smashers. Remember the need for the Perla Spikers. They have to win in 3 or 4 sets to make it to the semis. Otherwise, ang Lady Warriors ang siyang makakatunggali nila Gretzel Soltones at ng Water Defenders.
Ayan po.
Sa Sabado na yan.
Sa Sabado?
Tulog
Sabado
lang.
na agad.
Sa tulog lang. Tulog lang. Ikaw na naman yan.
At Coach Ronnie, ito June 3, right back here at the Phil Oil Flying V Center, the other half of the semifinal
Ayun,
round.
wala pa pala tayong draw kung sino makakatapat ng Power Smashers at ng Water Defenders. Pero sa ngayon, ang Power Smashers, nakapahinga ng ilang araw, nakapag-ensayo. And I'm sure that right now, they have identified yung pwede nilang makamatcha pagdating sa Final Four. And that is going to be another phase that they have to overcome en route to a spot in the finals.
So, abangan natin kung ano magiging resulta ng laban sa pagitan ng Perla Spikers at ng Lady Warriors. Pero muli nagtagumpay in straight sets ang Cool Smashers kontra sa Lady Jet Spikers. Sa ngalan ni Direk Al Neri, ang ating executive producer Malu Neri, panel at large, Pawi Versosa, my partner Coach Ronnie Magsanok. Ako po si Anton Roas. Nagpapasalamat sa inyong panonood ng Premier Volleyball League Reinforced Conference dito lang sa SND.